Hello everyone, welcome to Anson China. Today we are going to talk about the neoprene UBL fabrics. Some of the customers are asking, Frank, did you have many different color UBL fabrics for different projects? Yes, we do have. And please have a look at the mini sample color book. We have listed many different colors. The gray one, red one, the pink, navy blue, the beige or skin color, the coffee color, and so many different colors, and the purple. So most of them we have in stock fabrics, so you could easily avoid the MOQ problem. Some of the friends also asked, Frank, what's the composition of the neoprene UBL fabric? It is mainly nylon fabric and spandex. Nylon is the material that could be durable, and spandex is a material that could make your fabric stretchy. Without that, the material will be not stretchy at all. So no matter when you buy a UBL fabric from China, Taiwan or Japan, the composition stays the same. Nylon material plus spandex. So should you have any inquiries about neoprene fabric, especially if you have some problem about MOQ, welcome to contact Anson. We have many different neoprene fabric solutions for you at a reasonable price and small MOQ.